Hey beauties, welcome to our channel. If you're new to makeup or just looking for some tips and tricks to perfect your look, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive into Makeup 101, a beginner's guide to flawless looks. I'll be sharing step-by-step tips to help you master the basics and build your confidence with makeup. Let's get started. Before we even think about makeup, let's start with skincare. Healthy skin is the perfect canvas for any makeup look. First, make sure your face is clean and moisturized. I'm using a hydrating moisturizer here to prep my skin, and don't forget to apply it to your neck as well. Next up is primer. Primer helps to create a smooth base for your makeup and makes it last longer. You can choose a mattifying primer if you have oily skin, or a hydrating one if your skin tends to be dry. I'm using a pore-filling primer today to blur any imperfections. Just a small amount will do. Now let's move on to foundation. Foundation is key for evening out your skin tone. Start with a foundation that matches your skin tone. Don't go too light or too dark. I'm using a liquid foundation here. The best way to apply it is with a damp beauty sponge, gently bouncing it on your skin for an even airbrushed finish. For those little imperfections like dark circles or blemishes, I recommend using a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Apply it under the eyes in a triangular shape, which not only brightens but also lifts the face. Blend it well for a seamless finish. To set everything in place, I'm using a translucent powder. This step helps to prevent any shine and keeps your makeup in place throughout the day. Lightly dust the powder where you tend to get oily, like your T-zone. Remember, less is more. Now let's add some life back to your face with blush. Blush helps to give you that healthy, natural glow. I'm going for a soft, rosy shade today. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards toward your temples. A little tip, tap some blush on the tip of your nose for that sun-kissed look. Eyeshadow time! For beginners, neutral shades are your best friend. I'm starting with a soft beige shade all over my eyelid to act as a base. Then I'm applying a warm brown in the crease to add depth. Don't be afraid to blend, blend, blend. Next, we're going to define the eyes with eyeliner. For beginners, I recommend starting with a pencil liner, which is easier to control. Apply it along your upper lash line to make your lashes look fuller. For a softer look, smudge it out a bit with a small brush. To complete the eyes, let's add some mascara. Curl your lashes first, and then apply a couple of coats of mascara. Start from the roots and wiggle the wand upward for full, voluminous lashes. Don't forget the lower lashes for added definition. Now let's move on to lips. Start with a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade. Line the outer edges of your lips to define them. Then, fill in with your favorite lipstick. For beginners, I recommend a neutral or soft pink shade for an everyday look. Lastly, let's lock everything in place with a setting spray. This will ensure your makeup lasts all day long and gives you a fresh, dewy finish. And there you have it, your flawless makeup look. Easy, natural, and perfect for beginners. With a few simple steps, you can achieve a beautiful look that enhances your features and boosts your confidence. I hope you enjoyed this beginner's guide to makeup. Remember, practice makes perfect, and makeup should be fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks and products. If you loved this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more makeup tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.